Lost container videos are going absolutely viral on social media right now. And look at this Instagram page. They have already grown to 28.8 thousand followers simply by posting this one unique style of content over and over again. The best part is that their top performing videos have already crossed 2.8 million, 3.3 million, and even 1.1 million views, and they are still gaining more views every single day. Now let me show you something even more exciting. It was created with AI in just 5 minutes. And the best part is that you can do the exact same thing without spending any money. So let's jump straight into the complete process. The first thing you need to do is open the prompts file linked in the description below. Inside that file, you'll find an idea generation prompt. Copy it and paste it directly into ChatGPT, then hit enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate multiple, highly engaging lost container video concepts that are specifically designed to grab attention. Browse through the ideas, choose the one you like the most, and simply send it back in the same chat. Next, copy the scene generation prompt from the prompts file and paste it immediately after your selected idea. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will instantly create 5 detailed scene prompts that cover your entire video from beginning to end. Each prompt is already structured and optimized, so there's nothing else you need to change. Now copy the first scene prompt and head over to Google Flow. At the top, select the video option and make sure OmniFlash is selected as your video model. Paste your prompt into the input box and generate the scene. Within seconds, your first cinematic clip will be ready. To keep everything visually consistent, scroll to the final frame of your first scene and save it using the Save Frame option. Open that save frame, tap the 3 dots, and choose Animate. Then copy your second scene prompt from ChatGPT, paste it in, and generate the next scene. Because you're using the previous frame as the starting point, every scene will connect much more smoothly and create a continuous story.